Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the BillPoint app not working. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this easy step to fix that. So here we can see the BillPoint app. If it's not working, you have to follow this step. So just press and hold it here. Just click that I button. It will open the app info section of the app. So when you will just go here, you have to just scroll down and then click on the storage. Then click on clear data. Just clear the existing data. Then here you have to open the BillPoint app again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it does not work for you, then you should probably check for an update. So checking for update is easy. Go to the Google search bar and search for the BillPoint app. So here just search for BillPoint app, and from here download the latest version and update it, and it will work. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.